Pag-usapan natin ito.
From the age of 35 to 45, a person faces their hardest battles, not with the world, but with themselves. This is the age where childhood friends have drifted, making money becomes more serious, and loneliness starts to feel louder than ever. My friends, this is the age you either break cycles and rise, or stay trapped in your past forever.
Totoo po yan. He's speaking in the perspective of a man, tayong mga lalaki. Ito yung age na kung saan ina-assess natin yung ating sarili kung successful ba tayo sa buhay. At ito yung age na kung saan we are most prone to depression. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi if you find yourself failure sa iyong buhay, dito mo mas nararamdaman. Ito yung age na kung saan ang lalaki nagmamature na siya eh. Unfortunately kasi sa mga iba, ito yung age na magsisimula pa lamang sila. Kaya maganda po sa ating mga lalaki, habang tayo ay nasa kabataan pa, habang tayo ay malakas pa, as early as you can, you start building yourself. Magnegosyo and build your empire as soon as possible.